Guys and gals, it's Sweet Project Cars here with cool, trick, and affordable ways for the do-it-yourselfer. Today we're talking about our wash series. You can look through our videos and find all the different ways to wash your car. This one is really amazing because you can actually wash your car with 2 gallons of water. You don't have to rinse it. It is far more affordable. It's the fastest way to wash your car, and you're guaranteed no water spots. Plus, you can do it all by yourself. Now, of course, you would start at the top of the car, up there, but we're doing it here for the video. Watch this. It's amazing. Now, get your pen and paper out because you're going to need it. First, let's show you how dirty this car is. Now, you got an idea how dirty it is. Alright, the whole thing behind washing your car is, of course, to make it so that there's no water spots. You can do this out in the sun, but we're doing it indoors due to the fact that the sun is so bright today, and we're very thankful for it. We actually get to wear shorts and sandals when we're washing cars now, so that's pretty cool. But when it's sunny, it's hard to see even the lens of the camera, so for us, we're doing it inside. I want to thank Scott Walters for sharing this. There's 2 ways to put water in your container. You can use a filter like this, which we've used, and they do work great. So you have this method right here, and you just want to measure out 2 gallons of water with it. Or you can use your distilled water, which is what we're going to use. We can actually go to a customer's house and wash their car, no matter what size it is, in about 30 minutes with this process. Now, yes, we like our waterless wash right here. We love this stuff, but this is way faster and, as I said, much more affordable that we're going to do next year than using this right here. And what we're using is a no-rinse wash. All the tools will be in the show more of the video description. Julio, take it away, my friend.
Buscar en el show más de la descripción de video para todas las herramientas.
It takes 1 ounce and 2 gallons, and an ounce is 2 tablespoons. The cap twice is all you have to do. Just like that. Then you'll take the kit that this comes in, comes with your microfiber towel, and you just put that in there, let it soak, get it down in there, slosh it around. Mix it up good. We let that soak real good. And as I said, you can use this right here to fill your bucket, and it will basically take out every contaminant in the water. You will start at the top of your car. Very easy to do. And it will not scratch your car. It will not cause any damage to the paint whatsoever. All you do is slightly squeeze it out. Not all the water out of it. And we'll start right here. Now, we would go up on the roof and do all that, but we're just going to go over it like this. A little hard to do with the camera in the way, but you get the idea. And then you just put the dirty cloth right back into your water. You take the towels that they give you in the kit and you just go over it. If it dries up on you before you get to it, all you have to do is do it again. And it'll put a beautiful shine on it. And what we're doing with this wash series is we're just sharing with you every type of different wash that you can do. Now we'll go over the glass in the upper part of the door. It doesn't run down because you've squeezed out a good portion of the water. Take your cloth and dry it. Now, we use our drying towels that we shared with you before, and they work just as well, but the kit is the best value. 2 gallons of water, you can wash your entire car. All right, you're probably wondering, how can this work? Well, the polymers that are in the product actually encapsulate the dirt and lift it from the paint so that it cannot scratch the paint. And the reason you only use one bucket is that the dirt is encapsulated, it goes to the bottom of the bucket, and at the top of the bucket is all of your good product. But let's look at the one side that we didn't wash. Not bad, eh? And this paint is 20-some years old. And again, if you do not have access to distilled water to do this process or wash your car whatsoever, these are the way to go. No water spots, just a beautiful shine, and the polymers really make it shine. Now everybody has a different mix ratio, but it is real simple. 2 capfuls to 2 gallons. Spotless. Now that car is absolutely beautiful from just washing it that quickly. The shine is just impeccable. And like I said, that paint job is over 20 years old.